Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In this one, I'm going to the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the iQOO 7 device after the recent software update, which is 1.74.3 update. As you can see friends, after this update there has been a couple of comments which is about the Battlegrounds mobile game. That game is getting really stuck and they were unable to play. So few of the users did comment today as well, as you can clearly see friends. This is the comments which I did receive today regarding the iQOO 7 regarding the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. So after the game, the games are getting really lag and there are a lot of frame drops and the phone is getting very heat as well. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. I'll let you play the game, Battlegrounds mobile game, for about a couple of minutes, and then I'll try to let you know what's happening with overall heating problems and is any kind of lag or not while gaming. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. Right now the temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius initially, not bad. So let's see what happens with the temperatures after a couple of minutes. I'll let you start the stopwatch as well. Let me to turn on the stopwatch so you know exactly we are trying to play. Right now the stopwatch is also started at this moment. I'm trying to use with the smooth and extreme setting during this process of demonstration. As you can see friends, exactly smooth and extreme only settings I'm trying to use, and ultra game mode is also turned on successfully. So and 4D vibrations also working successfully fine without any kind of much problems. As you can see, ultra game mode. So if you want, you can enable the esports mode as well to get slightly kind of better gameplay experience. That's also another thing. So right now let's do the normal gameplay friends. Let's see is there any kind of lag or not while gaming. This is just only team deathmatch which I'm trying to play at this moment, just to show you what's going on overall exactly. You can see the ping value is of very low, not bad, so which is about 20 milliseconds. That's kind of good thing. And so far it feels kind of good, but let me know in the comment section below friends. So under what conditions you are able to feel a lot of lag in the iQOO 7 device? What is the condition like while playing classic match or while playing intense kind of matches? Or what kind of circumstance you are able to feel extreme lag in the iQOO 7 device? Let me know in the comment section below definitely. As you can see friends, overall there is no real-time FPS meter. That's the reason why I was unable to show you exactly what is the FPS count I'm getting exact. But haptic feedbacks were working fantastic. Haptic feedback, I'm getting really good intense haptic feedback. As you can see friends, overall it was working pretty good, not bad. And haptic feedback, I can definitely feel a lot of strong haptic feedbacks at this moment. Very strong haptic feedbacks in the iQOO 7 device. I'll just try to play the game for about 15 minutes of time. Then we'll try to see maybe a couple of match. How much heat it can actually get. And right now the temperature is about 35.4 degrees Celsius at this moment, not bad. And already you can see friends right now so until now I did not feel much kind of lag or any kind of problems for me, but definitely maybe with the intense kind of match then you might be able to feel. Right now with the temperatures 36.6 degrees Celsius within the first 4 minutes of time, not bad. So till now, not an issue, no problem. I'll let you play the game for about some time. So we're about to win. Yes, and we are done. So right now with our first match, 29 kills. That's kind of wow. That's the highest so far. So 29 kills and 37.8 degrees Celsius, friends. Right now the temperature is after 6 minutes of gaming. 37.8 with the intense kind of gaming only. So I'm not that good at gaming, but I'm trying to practice overall. But in my experience, maybe a little bit. But sometimes I was unable to move here and there, maybe because of these flinger sleeves, I guess. But let me know in the comment section below, friends, what is your experience of playing the BGMI mobile game in the iQOO 7 device after the update, Android 12 update, or maybe December security patch update? Did you face any kind of issues with the lag problem and FPS drop or not? I just want to see how many users are actually facing this kind of problems in the iQOO 7 device. That's the main reason why I thought of uploading. So first point for me, that's not bad. But haptic feedbacks, wow, that's really very strong. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And this is a quick gameplay test on the iQOO 7 device. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. And after playing kind of close to 8 minutes of time, the temperatures did reach up to 38 degrees Celsius. .38 degrees, the phone did increase. Maybe if you try to play for a little bit kind of more time, 30 minutes, the temperatures might increase a little bit kind of more as well. So thank you for watching this video, friends. And after playing for close to 10 minutes, 38.8 degrees Celsius, the temperatures did increase, kind of close to 40 temperatures. It's been very long time, friends, playing in the iQOO 7 device continuously. As you can see, friends, overall not bad with the gameplay. Overall, that's good. So finally, after 10 minutes of continuously 2 team deathmatch and 29 kills, and right now 19 kills, temperature did draw went up to 38.8 degrees Celsius after 10 minutes of gameplay only. So let me check the backside temperatures, how much the phone did increase. 38.2 on the front side, also 38.8. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and let me know in the comments below in case if you face any kind of issues or not with the Battlegrounds mobile game FPS drop test, and at which map you are facing this kind of issue or you facing every time. Let me know in the comments below. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Bye.